Hai semuanya. Where should I begin? Sudah 4 tahun terakhir ini, dan Agustus ini menjadi salah satu bulan yang kami syukuri dan juga kami rayakan. I'm still processing of the new title as a wife, as a mother, and also as a parent. She is 4 years old right now. I'm going to make another video about her birthday and how we prepare for her birthday. I'm going to make another video, so stay tuned. Also, not only that, August has been challenging too, but also elevate the way I'm thinking, mindful about my life, the decision I make, and also I want to say dalam kesempatan ini aku mau berterima kasih buat teman-teman yang willingly to watch my video and always supporting me. I do really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Dan untuk teman-teman yang baru pertama kali datang di dunia kecil aku, hai, selamat datang. Aku seorang ibu rumah tangga yang sementara era transisi switching my career, dan juga tidak bosan-bosannya atau tidak lelah-lelahnya mengejar apa yang sedang aku cita-citakan. I also looking for a job. I'm so ready to going back to work while doing everything that I could to become a stay-home mother, and also on the top of that, I maintain my marriage. Balance is everything, right? I'm happy that I could be able to share the life of a stay-home mother, stay-at-home mother, even though not everything, but I hope my video could be able to put a little bit smile on your face and encourage you, menyemangati kita mungkin kita sebagai seorang sama ibu rumah tangga atau orang tua yang bekerja dari rumah. Kita semangat ya. Because our kids only have us. Yeah, I'm happy, I'm blessed, I'm so grateful for everything that God gives to us, and I'm so ready to embrace and also accept everything, the good things. So God is good, life is beautiful, let's celebrate, but also still more to learn, so let's have fun. Oke, jadi ada beberapa rutinitas aku yang di bulan Agustus ini I can say I'm so proud of myself karena akhirnya aku berhasil untuk mencatat semua pengeluaran kita di bulan Agustus ini. Honestly, to be honest, I'm doing this for a while, tapi kadang ada on off-nya kan. Jadi kadang aku catat, kadang aku nggak catat. But on August, oh my dear Lord, thank you so much. Oh, I'm so happy and excited at the same time because I finally did it. To wrote down everything, bisa menulis semua apa pengeluarannya, terus apa saving and pockets, that aku pakai Bank Jago. This is not a sponsor video. Hold on. This is not a sponsor video. I just love using Bank Jago untuk kehidupan sehari-hari aku. A good job. I consider this is a small wins for me. Dan Agustus juga kali ini, for you guys already following me around, probably you already know that we don't have fridge for almost 3, I think more than 3 years since we moved back to Jakarta. Kita kembali ke Jakarta itu bulan Maret 2022. Yes, it has been 3 years until July. we don't have fridge at all, and we still survive. There's a lot of good things happens. I mean, there's the pros and cons, but finally after 3 years of waiting, agak maju mundur ya, tunggu aja lah, apakah kita harus beli gitu. kita masih bisa kok untuk nggak pakai kulkas, but akhirnya kita memutuskan untuk beli kulkas. Bulan Agustus ini penuh dengan berkat juga, but not gonna lie, our expenses in this Agustus ini meningkat ya. It doesn't stop there. I want to thank dan bersyukur kepada Tuhan karena di era ekonomi atau situasi ekonomi di Indonesia saat ini yang aku bisa bilang lagi tidak stabil karena ada pergantian ini dan pergantian itu, ada banyak sekali kejadian. There's a lot of things happen in this country. Aku mau bersyukur sama Tuhan karena yang pertama kita masih punya tempat untuk berteduh dan untuk kita tinggal, dan juga suami aku masih ada pekerjaan, so to be able to put food on the table. Wow, God is good. I'm grateful for everything. Dan sekarang ini kita lagi long distance marriage, sebentar aja ya gitu ya. Since we have a long distance marriage, every day is a challenge for me, mentally, physically. I'm not gonna lie that it's really tiring and exhausting. At the same time, recently, mungkin karena aku terlalu mau bilang ambisius juga enggak ya. I find that untuk menenangkan diri itu and put a smile on my face again is kind of little bit hard. But I need to, life must go on, right? Life must go on. My daughter needs me. My husband needs me. Myself need me as well. So I was kind of sad because at the same time I want to have a more time with my daughter dan juga bermain dengannya, but at the same time too I need to work to do everything that I could. Jadi that's why I need a donut or two. I need to be grateful and thankful because semuanya sehat, kuat, dan bisa beraktivitas. I'm in a good track right now. I feel more energized. I do exercise from home because I cannot go to Gelora Bung Karno untuk jogging or running. So it's okay, that's fine. Everything takes time. Dan ada juga hal yang aku perlu segera untuk lakukan, akan tetapi I need my husband's help. Jadi nanti kita tunggu kalau sudah pulang ya. Okay, so anyone here, have you ever heard about Mel Gibson? Ya, ada beberapa tamu di podcastnya itu yang akhir-akhirnya aku suka banget nonton Mel Gibson, podcastnya Mel Gibson yang ini. Dan ada salah satu tamu yang datang ke Mel Gibson benar-benar memberikan aku insight yang super duper related with my current situation, so I feel related, right? Itu dengan Emma Grede. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think you should watch it too because it was bam. I like it. It keeps me inspiring and it's inspired me a lot. Ada lagu yang akhir-akhir ini juga give me another hopes gitu, dari Sons of Sundays, right? Sons of Sundays. The title is One More Day. Probably you can check it out. And because this is August, after years, aku kembali untuk belajar doodling lagi. My bullet journal will never be the same anymore karena mulai dari bulan Agustus ini aku ngerubah style aku. Jadi because I'm a visual learner, I'm happy that I'm back to doodling again. So it's rame deh pokoknya di bullet journal aku. Meskipun ya gambarnya itu hanya aku dan buku itu sendiri yang tahu. Oh, and also I want to shout out to Astro dan juga Medicring, yes, save my times too, dan juga makes my everyday easier for sure. Well, this is not a sponsor video. I will put the link of Astro discount in my description box. Teman-teman bisa pakai itu untuk bisa dapat, nah kalau nggak salah tuh 15.000 ongkos kirim gratis. Lumayan kan ya? I would like to say sticking with me around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment too. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day. Happy Friday, everyone. Be kind. Choose. Bye.